Welcome to the Online Car Show channel. I'm James, and today we're going to be giving away and opening a Petrolbox. So without hesitation, let's get this video started. Well, before we get to the unbox here, I got huge news to share with you guys. I'm going to be a grandfather, so really big news. I'm super happy and excited and can't wait. But other big news, as y'all can see, I'm at 7,000 subscribers now. It's been a long road to get here, but we're finally here. I'm almost up to 250 videos. I think I'm 3 away from it right now, 247 or something like that. So almost 250 videos, 7,000 subscribers, and I think we're at 1,200,000 minutes viewed or whatever it is. So really good. The channel's progressing really fast now, it seems, and I can't say thank you enough for you guys. You know, and if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe below. That's what got me to this video, and I can't say thank you enough to you guys for supporting this channel. Whew, I had to dry off. It is hot in Houston, man. But start off too, I also got some new get up here. We've got a Red Bull, of course, Max Verstappen hat, and I also got a shirt to go along with it, but it's in the washer right now, so I'm sure I'll be wearing those out. The kids got me that for Father's Day, and what can you say? That's just awesome. But anyways, we'll get on, I guess, to the giveaway for the 7,000 subscribers. I'm planning to give away a premium Petrolbox, just like I'm going to be unboxing this video. You'll get your chance to win. Really simple. I'm going to keep this one really just kind of fun. First, I guess there's only really 3 things I'm going to ask for you guys to get entered in the giveaway, and the first one being you have to be subscribed to the channel. Second one, you have to like this video, and the third one, first 2 are easy enough, right? The third one is going to be, I want you to write a short, I don't know, sentence or 2, paragraph, whatever, story of why you think you deserve the Petrolbox, why you think you should win the giveaway. This can be fictional, this can be non-fictional, you know, I don't care if there's truth to it. You know, best story of why they deserve the Petrolbox is going to get the Petrolbox, as long as they're subscribed and like the video. But really simple contest. I just kind of want to see what kind of answers and stories I get from this, and of course when I announce the winner, I'll be doing it in a future video, and all of y'all get to see which one won the giveaway or whatnot. And speaking of which, if you do win, or if you do enter the contest, make sure you check back my future videos. I've had a giveaway before where the guy that won it just never applied and never got the giveaway. So don't be that guy. If you enter in the contest or the giveaway, come check back later in a later video. I'll do it real quickly, and I'll announce the winner. And it'll probably be on next month's Petrolbox run, not this month. So you won't get the box you're seeing in the video, but you'll get next month's. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what you'll get in the giveaway. All right, well, what is a Petrolbox? As I've mentioned before in my videos, Petrolbox is a monthly car enthusiast box. It's got all kinds of goodies in here, from, you know, car clothes, tools, car care products, all kinds of car related goodies. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Alright, well, as always, you're greeted with a special thank you for your support from Petrolbox. And it's got a listing here of stuff that's included in the box, so if you want more products or whatever from those companies, you know how to get a hold of them. They've also got a really cool giveaway attached to every box. You could open, if you open up the box and you find one of these golden tickets, there it is, you can win a set of roadie form wheels for your car. So really cool contest attached to every box. Still don't have my golden ticket, but I know it's coming, right? All right, let's get on the first thing. Let's start with the car care, since it's kind of staring at me here with 2 things. We've got, looks like it's from Legendary. I've used their stuff before. I think it came in a Petrolbox, and
their products have worked really good. It looks like Legendary Foam. I'm guessing this is a car shampoo, super concentrated. Gotta love that. Made in the USA. Hashtag America. And we've got, of course, a mitt to go along with it. See if I can open this up real quick. Oh yeah, super soft. Like that. I've never seen one like that. It's a little bit different than the rest of my car wash mitts, but that will work. And the foam to go along with it. Let's see what we got in here next. Not a whole lot of stuff. I'm really disappointed, guys. They usually put candy in these boxes. There hasn't been now for 2 or 3 months. I'm seriously upset about that. Petrolbox, put the candy back in the box. I want my monthly candy. Ooh, I know what this is. A really cool tool here to have. This is kind of like a little hole punch. I've seen these before. I never even know where you could pick one up. But how it works, guys, let's say you've got a piece of metal. Say this is your sheet metal here, this blue cutting mat. How you would mark your hole or start your hole. You could use this for, you know, marking a hole you're gonna drill into, or all kinds of things. But how it works, basically, you put this on here, you pull it back with a spring and tap it, bam, it made a little mark. So that's a good way to start, you know, any spots you're going to be drilling, stuff like that, whether it be on car, woodworking, metalworking. This is a good all-around tool just to have in the toolbox. Let's come back to that one. We've got, looks like our ride of the month, it must be a GT40 theme this month. We've got a GT40, and I think I already have a GT40, actually the same freaking car. So I've already got this sticker before, but we'll put that on maybe my car care card or something like that. And to go along with the GT40 theme, we've got a little pin here. You can put that on your cap, jacket, whatever. Really cool. I'll probably put on my camping backpack. That's where I've been putting their pins. And we've got a purple air freshener this month. Like that. Every month it seems like they try to put a different color air freshener in, which is nice. They've even had some American flag ones, which are really cool. Ooh, I don't know what car this is. The other thing you've got here, guys, they've got a little contest that goes on, which each box, if you're a subscriber to the Petrolbox, you can enter in a picture of your car on their website or email, and you'll have a chance of getting your car on a magnet and sent in the monthly Petrolbox, which is a really cool little side contest they add to every box. And you get to see, you know, other people's rides out there. Not really sure what car this is. It looks, I hate to say in Japanese and not be. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments what car that is. I don't want to guess wrong. So we got subscriber of the month. Ooh, then we got a t-shirt. And like I said, there'll be some form of clothes usually in the box, whether it be a hat, some gloves, or a t-shirt. Some of the stuff I've gotten before. This one says race car things. I guess it's, and it says Petrolbox on the back. But I'm guessing that's following that scary movie or things or whatever, that movie that came out not too far back. But that's really cool. I like the dark gray shirt too. I really like that. We've got our sticker. Let's go over everything we've got for the month. We got our sticker, of course. I think Snake Oil Elixir makes all the stickers for him. He's on Instagram. We got the subscriber of the month and the unknown car, which you guys are going to help me out with in the comments. We've got a purple air freshener this month. We've got a mitt for washing the car. Somewhere there's a pin, GT40 pin. We've got the hole punch, whatever you want to call it. What are they calling it in here? Just out of curiosity. Spring tools, double-ended, oh, center punch. That makes sense. It's a center punch. There's the word I was looking for. And then we've got, of course, the car shampoo. It's a really good month from Petrolbox. I always go through car shampoos. I know that's going to be used like crazy. this is a really good tool just to have in case you ever need it. And some of this other stuff is just fun stuff. So there you have it, another good month from Petrolbox. Like I said, guys, I'm giving one of these away, premium Petrolbox, just like the one you see here. Be sure you enter the contest. Just need you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and then thirdly, I want you to get the best story I can get, whether it's a true sentimental story or a made up funny story. I don't care. Best story wins a Petrolbox.
Oh, it is hot, guys. I'm sweating the video. I'm trying not to. But there you have it, Petrolbox. I love them. I've been subscribed now, I think 36. I've gotten 36 or something total Petrolboxes or something like that. Whole bunch of them. I loved them. I've subscribed and unsubscribed now 2 or 3 times. I just end up missing them when I don't have them. It's almost like Christmas every month. You know, you get that little box in with just a little couple car goodies, car care products, help clean your car, and maybe some tools and stuff you didn't know were out there. So it's a win-win. I think it's a great deal for the dollar, and I don't know, if you're interested in getting your Petrolbox, you can look down in the description and I'll have a link. I think it's mypetrolbox.com. It'll get you there. And like I said, they've got 2 sizes to choose from, a small and a premium, and then they're going to ask you your shirt size, glove size, and you got a Petrolbox on the way. Not much to it. So, but thank y'all so much for watching the video. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe so we can get to the next giveaway. I'll probably be a 10,000 giveaway next, but thank y'all so much for watching. I hope everybody has a great week. Thank you.